Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have something very special for you guys. We have these two vintage Mickey Mouse Ingersoll watches, both dating back to 1948. So these watches are already 70 years old. Both are powered of course by mechanical movements. These watches were produced in the United States in a partnership between Ingersoll and Disney. As you can see, they are signed US time on the back. Both models also have a serial number on the back. As we can see here, we have 5842 and here we have 10,842. So this one is most likely a little bit older than the other one, although it is in better condition. Here on the right one, we can see that we have made in the USA signed at the bottom compared to the left one. So that is a very small difference between them. Both watches have been restored by our team and in partnership with our watchmaker. As you can see, the watch on the right side has a brand new watch crystal that isn't domed compared to the other one, which also has a watch crystal that is not the original one but is domed. It's also vintage, but the patina on the left dial compared to the right one is a lot more evident. You can hear the tick of the watches. I'll try to get them closer. They're quite loud compared to more modern mechanical watches. We can see that both watches have Arabic numerals. We have Mickey Mouse at the center of the dial, and we can see that the hour markers are the hands of Mickey Mouse. So that is a very interesting thing when it comes to vintage Mickey Mouse watches. That is a very unique feature compared to other watches which have regular watch hands. And other than that, we can say that after our watchmaker has serviced both of the watches, they keep quite accurate time, given the fact that the watches are already 70 years old. So if you are interested in finding more about these watches or are interested in purchasing one of them, please make sure to check out our watch collection on Vintage Radar. There will be a link in the description below. We have other Mickey Mouse watches from Bradley, Seiko, Loris, and many others. We also have other mechanical watches with Mickey Mouse, so make sure to check them out. Thank you guys and see you next time.